Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So getting great results on OpenArt is not about luck, it's about control. When you understand how to guide the AI, your outputs become sharper, more consistent and more professional. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to optimize your results on OpenArt in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, write better prompt. So your prompt is everything. Include subject like who, what, style, realistic, anime, 3D, like lightning, like soft, cinematic, neon, like details, like textures, environments, and quality tags, 4K, ultra details. Okay, so for example, realistic portrait of a young man, cinematic, lightning, shallow depth of field, ultra detail, 4K. So this is specific prompts, okay? Because specific prompts means better outputs. Okay, so use a fixed prompt structure, like create a template, like for example, subject, detail, lightning, style, quality. So we use it every time. Like consistency in prompts means consistent results. So generate multiple variations, like always generate several images, then compare results, pick the best and refine further. So selection is part of the process. So use reference images, so upload strong images used for character consistency, style matching, and scene continuity. Okay, so reference means control. So adjust strength and settings. Okay, so image to image strength, like low means more creativity, high means more accuracy. So resolution, like higher, better quality. So balance control versus creativity. So focus on lightning and composition. So add keywords like cinematic, lightning, soft shadows, depth of field. Okay, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.